Yes, good morning kids. Today we are going to learn about the series data, and we will learn how to create the simple series. As you know very well, the series is a one dimensional data structure or data representation. We will learn creating series with index value, as well as we will learn access the value based on index and based on some of the condition. Also, we will learn Python dictionary to series data frame. How to put a series using a Python dictionary. So these all the things we will learn. So let us start. So first thing, we will import the pandas. Import pandas as PD. Is it okay? Now after importing the pandas, we will create a series. Now you can see we will use a function called as a dot series, and series s will be always capital. Okay, and I have given the variable name as a obj, right, is equal to pd dot series, and some value I have given in series, and now you can see series got printed. So dear children, you can understand this is a, a very good way to create a simple series, and 0 1 2 3 are called as a index value. Is it okay? Now you can see the by default data type of numerical value is int64. Now I have applied one of the function called as a values, and from this series I got an array. It means you can see I have created array using the series by the help of a simple method values. Now let me update something in this program. Okay, you have seen now by default index is coming 0 1 2 3. Now let me put my own index like a D, A, C, and let us put B. Okay, now you can see the data is still I am having the same data. Okay, and I have given the index for my data. Now when you will run this program, and you will see that all the data will be index labeled by me. So now let me run this one. So object 1, and now you can see, is it visible to you? See here. Okay, these things are displaying as a index, right? And again same, the data type will be int64. Now let us have an example. So let us see. So I think this is clear to everybody. I don't think that is there any other examples are required to create a series, right? Now let us see how to access the value. The value can be accessed based on index. Now you can see I have given the index number C, and I got the value as a 1. Is it clear? Right. Now let us see another example. I have given the same variable name, and now I will give a condition that wherever the data is greater than 0, that can be displayed in a result. So this is the very simple way where you can put a condition and you can see we are having value which is greater than 0 is except -3 all will come. So you can see we are not getting the -3 because this is less than 0. Now 1, 2 and 7 are greater than 0 only. So this is a simple way you can put a condition inside the square bracket, and index value also you can put into the square bracket. Now I will try to apply a mathematical function, multiplication, and I can see that each and every element got multiplied by 2. So you can see this is a very easy way to multiply the uh, data, and now you can see I have given the square of the data. Now you can see the first data is 2, 2 ka square will be 4, and 3 ka square will be 3 3 ja 9, 1 ka square will be 1, and 7 7 ja 49. So this is the way we can easily access the value based on index, and we can put any condition. Now we are going to learn how the Python dictionary can be used as a series data structure. So I think that whatever I have explained upside, it is clear to everybody. Yeah, right, okay, I think it is clear. If it is not clear, you can rewind the video and you can watch the video again. Now let us go for the Python dictionary. So I'm having a variable called as a data, and you can see I'm going to create a library using the curly bracket. Yeah, please remember these are the curly bracket, and the first value in curly bracket is London, that is actually key, and the value of this key is 10, colon, with the help of colon, right? Already we discussed, so there is no such type of issues. Now you can see I am having another value which is Tokyo, and the value is 72, and New York, and the value is 100. Okay, add one more value Mumbai, and comma, colon, we will put a value, right? Now this is the dictionary. Is it okay? It's very easy because we know very well how to create a dictionary, that our keys and values are available separated by comma. Now the time to see how we can use the Python dictionary to a series data structure. So again same function we will use, pd.series, and series of this library which is variable name is data. Let us give one variable name is object2 I have given. Now when the moment you will print it, you can see index become key, and the values are values only. Okay, because all the values are integer values, so it is showing that d type is equal to int 64. So dear children, it is really very easy. Use the Python dictionary to create a series data structure. Okay, so any kind of dictionary value you can add it, and you can try it by yourself.